Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to filter unique values in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and you can see I have here purchase data. In this data you can see the purchase ID 22 is a duplicate, 1 is a unique, again 3 is a unique, 4 is a duplicate. Same as here, amount also purchase 2 is the same and purchase 1 is a unique amount. So here I'm going to filter the unique values in this data. For that, simply select the entire column of the total amount. So you can just click on here and select the entire column. And the second way, you just drag with the mouse and select the entire column. And the third, just simply select the first cell and use the shift control down arrow to select the entire column. Okay. After that, go to the data tab. In sort and filter group, click on the advanced option and here the advanced filter dialog box is open. In first option action, the filter the list in the place, the automatically selected. After that, list range select here. Just click on this arrow and select your column. So I select the first cell. Then I use here the shortcut key shift control down arrow to select the entire column. You can see here F2 to F186. F is a column name and 2 to 186 is the row number. After that, just click on this arrow and click on the unique records only. It means only unique records here filter. Just click on OK and that's it. Here you see only the unique records here filter. You can see here the purchase number 2 is the only one here showing. Okay, so this is a way you can filter the unique values in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.